And when you got then Checkers, when you acquired Checkers, its losses were higher than Shoprite's revenue.
Yeah, that's right.
Weren't you scared?
I was very scared. With OK Bazaar, it
Is
was 10 times worse. So,
Oh,
yeah, I was scared because in Checkers it wasn't that you put all your own eggs onto that table. In OK it was.
mm,
In OK, all the guys that went in there staked their total careers earnings on that.
earnings. And OK was owned by SAB.
When I bought them, I sat in the garden, which is not you, the first man I tell it to.
Yeah.
Say the meeting starts at 1. They never give us food at 1.
Oh, they didn't.
No, they just gave us tea. And I said, no, 1 o'clock is, I'd like to just sit and give me some of your expensive food that you would eat in your... So I had a book. I used to read these cowboy books, Zane Grey or some of them. Sat in their lovely gardens, beautiful gardens there. And then Kali Goosen, who was negotiating with me, used to come and say, why do you got to come in? These guys have been waiting for you for 20 minutes. I said, let them wait. Let them wait till 1:45. Because they should have asked me at 12:30, what are you having for lunch? Even though it was just a sandwich. Didn't get it. So I can call them arrogant now because I can't go to jail for it anymore. If I go, I'll go short time like whoever the president that goes to jail. So,
but you could pick them up that they're not retailers then.
Oh well, sure, they didn't know where they were.